forget what they say. We gonna drink all the rules away. Standard American trouble. Standard American trouble. 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 Standard American trouble. Standard American trouble.
I'm getting ready for my telly ties, so make sure you check them out. Shout out to Telly Ties for sending me these new and fun hair ties.
Guys, these ties are so cute. They are really
my telly ties on my hand.
the best ties that are out right now for protective styles and for buns, easy, no manipulation styles.
And they have them in all different colors.
What's your favorite color?
I actually have to say I do like the yellow one.
Yeah, yellow is your favorite?
Yeah. I like
Okay, so one of Telly Tie's slogans is eat glitter for breakfast. And so right here, Capri is putting on a glitter lip.
Yeah, and that's super cool to put on.
It looks so cute, and that was so much fun. At the end of this video is a photo shoot of all of the looks that Capri had during her Telly Tie shoot.
Yeah, these bubbles are super cool. There were a lot of ants crawling on me, but it was super fun to do this.
This turned out so cute, and this was filmed with a drone.
Yeah, so right now it was a bit hard. The sun was in my face and the drone was right over my head.
But the shoot came out really, really good. And Capri wants to do an art contest with either like sidewalk chalk art or leg art. If you look at some of her shorts and the other videos of her channel, she has leg art. She loves to draw. And we want to give away some AirPods and some Telly Ties. So comment below if you guys are into that kind of contest and you want to send in your art. You do art, leg art, sidewalk art, or
okay, I like it.
It can be a drawing or a painting.
That way.
Yeah, it could be anything cool to win Telly Ties and AirPods.
So right now, I think we're putting on some more glitter on my lips. And right now, I am drawing the swing. It is pretty easy to draw. All you have to do is 2 straight lines and then kind of like a U shape as the swing. So it's really easy.
If you guys want to see some more protective styles to use Telly Ties with, summertime is here, and you can see that me and Capri, we both have a bun. Telly Ties are so cute to put around your bun, around your wrist, and Capri likes to wear it as an anklet too. They're super fun and really cute. They're the best hair ties. They look really twisty, like they're going to get caught up in your curls.
A few
and your kinks,
moments later.
but that is not at all what happens. They really slide out really easily. No hair comes out with them, no breakage. I like them better than even the Goodies ouchlets because still, even though they're really stretchy, the Goodies, your hair still gets wrapped and tangled around them.
And it really slides out super easily.
Yeah, and they're easy for kids and teens to put on themselves and to do their own hair.
They have them in different sizes, so you can wear some as a bracelet or a ring. They are very easy to put on. And also, this was filmed with a drone, and it's super cool because you have to try to like put your hand on the swing, and it looks like you're swinging. This is very easy to draw.
Yeah, so this would be a really easy one to draw if you want to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to Capri's channel.
And make sure to hit that bell.
Send us a DM or a message of your art. Follow the channel. Follow her on Instagram at Capri Joelle. Follow her on TikTok at Capri Joelle. You can follow me and Capri on at desiandcapri. That's on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And guys, it's turned out cool. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, you're gonna see a little bit of behind the scenes. That's super cool. And you're gonna see more of us filming TikToks. And you're going to see a photo shoot of all the looks that Capri did during this Telly Ties promo.
So right now, I am doing the same thing we just saw, just in a different outfit. And right now I'm at the park.
Ew.
And we're filming the behind the scenes of this TikTok, which was very fun because I got to wear glitter lips.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, riding around the city with a stick dog.
How many TikToks are we doing?
4.
4 sounds fine. 4.
Is that right?
No. 4 is a lucky number.
Photo shoot. Photo shoot.
Got him!